Hey folks, how y'all doing today? Hope you're doing well. Hope this weekend treated you well, and hope you have a great week. Video number 2. Anyway, just want to say that you're worth it, you're worthy, and you can do anything you want to, and put your mind to. And we're gonna be over at Home Depot today, looking at some of their deals of the day. I'm gonna try something different today. I'm not gonna go through every single tool. I'm just gonna pick out a couple, but we are gonna go through the whole page. So that being said, first off we have this M18 brushless cordless 4.5 to 6-inch grinder, and that's gonna come with a 8 amp hour forge battery for $259. That is a great deal for that grinder and that battery. For $259, you can also get the super sawzall, and that's gonna also come with the M18 8 amp hour forge battery for $259. Again, great pickup. For $299, you can get the compact brand saw with a standard 5.0 battery. Let me see, this is a good one. We got this crown stapler with a 2.0 battery, 109. It's getting cold out, getting real cold out. So Milwaukee got their new Hexon jackets here, looking at $149 for your heated vest and your tough shell jacket, $109 for your hoodies. And yeah, if you need those, that's a good pickup. Those do come with the batteries. So we have for $349, we have the DeWalt single bevel compound miter saw with the stand. That's a solid pickup. They also have a 20 volt max one over at Lowe's. I just did a video about that. So if you're interested in that, I'll go ahead and hopefully link it down below, but if not, it'll be right there. For $219, we're looking at the 20 volt max cordless reciprocating saw. And that's gonna come with two 5 amp hour batteries for $219. That's solid. You got some Ryobi tools here. If you're into Ryobi, you already know. Nice little wood cutting set. We got some more of these Milwaukee heated gears for $149.97. Like I said, that's gonna be your tough shell, your jackets, your vest. All the sizes, I guess is what I should say, are usually about the same price. So $149, you can look and get any of those you need. For $199, we have the 5-inch random orbital sander with a 5.0 battery and the charger. That's a really good pickup. This is a pretty decent pickup here. It's gonna be your 5.0 charger and your top off. I really like the top off. I got one. I don't have a new one yet, but I do plan on getting the new one so I can check it out and let you all know. So if you need that top off, you can grab it. It'll power. I've powered my router in a power outage. I've powered a 70-inch TV with both the Milwaukee and the Ryobi one with no problems. Just saying. Got a little speaker there. We got the heat gun. We got this Atomic 20 volt max brushless cordless 1/2-inch drill, and that's gonna come with two 5 amp hour batteries for $219. $219, you can also pick up their fan with the two 5 amp hour batteries, the task light, or the brushless compact 1/4-inch impact driver. If you need any of those for $219, that's pretty decent. It ain't the best. You got another jacket there. Let's see. This is a solid pickup. I really like this grinder. I have it. $149, you're getting the battery and the charger. That's a great deal. For $359, you're getting Milwaukee's top of the line hammer drill impact, 2 5s, a charger, blow molded case, and they're gonna give you that inflator. The inflator is really good. I really like it. So if you need that, that's really good. I mean, the one with the grinder is good too. Also, this oscillating multi-tool, we had it for $199 without the battery and charger over the weekend. So that's gonna be a solid pickup. You're gonna get that battery and charger, and it comes with the accessories. So the only multi-tool I like better than this one is definitely the M12. Yes, the M18 has more features, but The M12, I just feel like you can get in tighter spots, and it's got a better hand feel as far as it don't have the auto ramping, you know, it's like really prevalent in the M18 one. I can't explain it, but I have to show you one day. Let me see. We got, of course, the hammer drill with the forge for $309, and you get the top of the line kit with the blower for $359. I would skip this one mainly because this is a brushed circ saw right here. That's just my opinion. Same thing with this. These are very capable tools. It's just that now we have a whole lot better stuff, you know, better technology. So that's just me personally. If you need it and you want it, your money, do what you do. We got some Ryobi tools here. We got the fan. This is pretty solid right here. It's got cordless 4-mode high torque impact wrench. That's gonna come with 2 4 amp hour high output batteries, the charger, and a bag. $169. I like that. We got a 9-piece, I guess, starter kit. You get you a trimmer, a circ saw, a blower, it ain't really a top off, but that's a USB power inverter. You got the vac, the drill, impact, flashlight, recip saw, and the bag. That's a pretty good deal. It looks like it only comes with, it comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery and a 4.0 battery. $289. That's pretty good, especially if like you're just now getting into a home or apartment or something like that, or maybe you just want to get some tools that, you know, you keep on the RV or something. Oh no. You got this mid torque impact wrench with a high speed ratchet, 2 5s, and a 2.5 amp hour high output battery. That's solid. That's pretty decent. Kit for $209. This is a good kit right here. It's gonna be your M12 hammer drill and impact. It's gonna be a 2, a 3, the bit set, charger, and a bag for $209. That's a good one. That's a good one. $339. You're getting the stubby cordless. You're getting the cordless stubby 1/2-inch impact wrench with a 2.5 amp hour battery and 2 5.0 batteries. That's gonna be charger and the bag. $339. Yeah, I like that. I've never used the polisher sander. Let me just say this: if you use it for sanding, don't use it for polishing. And if you use it for polishing, don't use it for sanding. I was young once. Ask me how I know. My dad was angry, I guess is the word I'll use. We have the 1/2-inch stubby impact wrench with the 2.5 amp hour and the 5 amp high output battery. And this is gonna come with your grease gun for $339. I would say this is a better deal than this, in my personal opinion. We hardly ever see the grease gun, either the M18 or the M12. I don't know why I want it. I don't have anything with greasable joints, I guess just because I say, oh, I got a grease gun. I'm not sure. But that's a good pickup there. We have that same kit with the inflator. $359 if you need 2 impacts. That's a solid deal for you. It's going to be your hammer drill impact, 2 5s, charger, and a case. We have Ryobi's high performance, or their HP line, grinder there. And it's going to come with your 2 4 high output batteries, a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and no bag for $179. It's still a solid pickup. $169, you're getting their 4-mode 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench with the 1 4 amp hour high output battery, as well as the deep well impact sockets. $169. That's a really good pickup. Ooh, now let me get into this right quick. So we have this rigid 10-tool combo kit, which is a good deal at $429. You're getting your drill, your impact, your random orbital sander, your light, your recip saw, your circ saw, your vacuum, a multi-tool, your little top off or your inverter, and a blower. 1 4, and one 2 amp hour battery, $429. Now, the reason I bring that up is because yes, you could get the 10 tool combo kit for $429, or you can get this 8 tool combo kit for $299, and you're only missing your inverter and your multi-tool. Some places have this on clearance as low as $269. I found it for $269. So you could get this for $269. If you absolutely needed the oscillating tool, you can get it for $79 with another 2 amp hour battery. Don't get tool only, because tool only is going to be $109. But you can get it for $79 with a 2.0 battery, and you could call it done, and you'll be up under the $429 price. But let's say if you did want the inverter, well, get it for $79, or some places, of course, well, it's $79 on clearance, but it will come down. You can get this, and you get another charger, another 2, and that for $79, and you're looking at being about $20-$30 more than this, and you'll come out with 2 more batteries, a charger, and the same amount of tools. And that's only if you can find it, you know, for that clearance price. This is at regular price, and that's not including the clearance price. So if you find it on clearance, you'll come in even cheaper. And that's why you should get subscribed, because I actually look for stuff like that. Anyway, just a little side project there. Let's get back into it. For 92, we're looking at the 21-piece hole dozer kit. That's decent if you need it. I have one. I've used it like all of 3 times. You know, so I mean, it's good to have. I mean, when you need it, you need it. But you know, just saying. Got a Master Mechanics tool set, some Husky stuff, another hole dozer kit, the locking pliers from Milwaukee. We got a lot of Milwaukee tools. The good thing about Milwaukee tools are they do have that lifetime warranty. So if you need any of the hand tools, I'm sorry, not the power tools. Power's 3 to 5 years, but of course the hand tools are all with a lifetime guarantee. I'm trying to see if anything else is just popping out at me. This, I don't know how I feel about this. The reason being is because currently this is a great price. If you look at the price of the rapid charger and the 2 3s, but used to see the 2 3s for about $99 every holiday, but we didn't see that this year. So $236 if you need those 3 amp hour high output batteries, that's a good pickup. And then you can get the rapid charger there for I think $99. So it's up to you. Me personally, I'll wait. I'll skip it. That's just me personally, but of course, I don't necessarily need a simultaneous dual bay charger currently where I am in life now. So we got the hammer. We got the pack out deep well impact socket set with also the bit drivers for $90. That's a good one. We have 2 4 amp hour batteries from Ryobi, 119. That's gonna come with your charger. We got 3 5s from DeWalt, 20 volt max for $209. Or you can get their 2, 4, and a 6 amp hour battery for $199. So it's either, what's that, 15 amp hours or 12 amp hours. So you get a little bit more for $209. But again, if you're working overhead with a drill or anything like that, I'm just saying, like a 2 amp hour or smaller battery is a lot better than having an 8 amp, 5 amp hour battery or anything like that you gotta keep continuously putting up over your head or going straight into a wall where you're, you know, a little bit higher than, you know, you understand. Y'all are smart people. I know you do. You're following me. Let me see. We got some gear wrench straight jaw tongue groove pliers for $42. That's pretty good too. And these are good too. The magnetic pivoting nut driver set. Those are pretty cool to have. They're kind of one of those niche-like tools, but when you need it, it's good to have. So that's all that I saw that was just jumping out at me. Like I said, I want to change up in how I do this. Mainly because the last couple of videos, they seemed a little long, and then somebody gave me a couple of ideas. And yeah, we're just gonna see how this does and go from there. I appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you being here. No one's told you. Know that you're worthy. Know that you're great and awesome, of course, and that you're capable of doing anything and everything that you put your mind to. Go out there, talk to your fellow man, be kind to one another. I think the world needs a lot of kindness right now. That's everywhere. Compassion and kindness. So you'll be amazed at how much you have in common with people once you talk to them, you know. You put all the other bullshit aside and just get to know that person. It's a really beautiful world we live in if we just have compassion for each other. And that's all I got. Like I said, if you got any value from this, please hit that like button, subscribe, share it out, comment, all those wonderful buzzwords. Anyway, till next time, take care.